up? It's Cam I Am, and today I am here with a different kind of video. I pretty much want to give y'all the day in the life of my hair, deep curly edition, because I am rocking some deep curly hair from our friends at Nadula Hair. I mean, just a regular day for me, days where I get up and I'm like, all right, like, let me just get dressed, like I gotta go run some errands or something. This is the best that I'll fix my hair to. So this isn't like my camera ready look, or I would have invested way more time, you know, to make it look even more presentable, but this is my everyday look. Frontals are honestly so much maintenance. You know, once you get into wigs, not only do you want to make sure that you are providing the proper care for your natural hair underneath the wig, but when you throw on a wig, you're pretty much taking care of two heads of hair, because now you have to take on the responsibility of taking care of your weave. And sometimes that can be hard, but if you do it properly and you handle your hair gently, it will last you for months down the line. But today's video is pretty much just about like the day in the life of my hair, what I do when I wake up. So I'm giving you like the day 2 vibes of the hair, if that makes sense. Like, what did I do on day 2 to maintain it? Not how did I install it, but this is more so a video of like how to maintain your hair. So this is what I'll do on a regular day. As I said, when I don't have to be on camera, if I have to run to the store or whatever, I just go to this quick little routine, and I hope it helps you guys a lot. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Okay, so this is pretty much me after just a long day. This is how the hair looks in its natural state. It's looking so good now that I'm watching this video, but I'm ready to wrap it up for the night. So I basically just put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm gonna make sure, you know, it doesn't have to be like a super tightly secured ponytail, but I'm just, you know, going around it twice. I'm gonna take one of my silk scarves that I get from my local beauty supply. I know I'm being super silly right now, but you know, you can already expect that. And I'm just tying it around my head just to secure my hair for the night. This is really to just make sure that my frontal lays down right. So this is me the following morning. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm just gonna rewrap my scarf really fast. This is how my edges look after all night of keeping my hair wrapped. So the baby hairs aren't in their exact same spot, but you know, they're not bad, and my frontal is still intact, which is pretty good. So I just fold up my scarf a little bit more to ensure that there is a tighter hold on my edges. So the technique of how I'm wrapping it, it's definitely different from how I tied up my hair for when I went to bed. Right now, my focus is the frontal because I'm about to go to the gym. So I don't want my frontal sliding back at the gym if I start to sweat, because once water touches the glue or the gel on your frontal, that's when it starts to slide. But I'm trying to prevent that. I normally go to the sauna in my gym. It gets pretty steamy, which is not good for frontals because they can start sliding back or even get removed. And I also do the steam room in the gym, which is even worse. But with my technique of how I wrap and I tie down my frontal, it works pretty good, and I don't get, you know, bad results. So I am fresh out the gym and I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm leaving my scarf tied up the same exact way, but I'm just putting my hair in a bun in the back. I normally don't wear a shower cap either because I don't care if the back of my hair gets wet. I'm just scared for the frontal to get wet. So I am fresh out the shower and I'm just putting on a face mask. As you guys can see, I did get a little bit of my mask on my scarf because I just wanted to protect my baby hairs. And yeah, just to remind you guys that when you wear a frontal, you do have to babysit. So now I am ready to style my hair. I'm wiping off some of the leftover residue from the mask and residue from the gel and the hairspray, because sometimes you definitely get that. So I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. So this little piece of my frontal in the corner did lift up a little bit, but it's super easy to fix. I'm just going to apply a little bit of my Got To Be Freeze spray just to stick it back down, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it. Now I am going to style my baby hairs just to get me ready for a regular day in the life of Cam. If you guys want a more in-detailed video, I will leave one in the description box for you guys to see what products I use. So I'm going to take my time and part my hair into like 4 sections so I can evenly distribute some conditioner. Any conditioner of your choice will pretty much work. I'm just going to evenly distribute the conditioner into my hair and just spray some water on it to bring out the natural texture and curl of my hair. And after that, I am going to apply some mousse on my hair. I just use this type. I didn't prefer it over any other brand, but I just happened to pick it up. But mousse definitely helps you define your curls. And when I spray the spray bottle, I spray close to my scalp, but not to where it touches my frontal, because you have to remember that water is what removes the frontal from your head if you glued it down with like the Got2b gel or spray. All right, that's it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.